Good morning. I know I look a little rough, but just woke up, so excuse my puffiness. So as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna do a little what I eat in a day bariatric edition, because obviously I do not have a normal stomach. If you've seen my last video, check it out where I do a Q&A on my weight loss surgery. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it above, and also in the description box I can link it. Gonna get ready for the day. I typically don't wear a lot of makeup to work, to be honest. It's kind of not necessary. I'm not really trying to win a beauty pageant here. I wear a mask at work, so it's not like anyone really sees me. I just kind of do just the bare minimum just to like make myself feel good. Just a little concealer. So just wanted to give you guys an introduction to what this video is all about. I want to preface this video by saying again that I am a bariatric patient and that my diet is typical for someone like myself who got any kind of bariatric surgery. I specifically got VSG, which is the gastric sleeve. I am about 7 weeks post-op, so my stomach is still very much small. Right now, I'm extremely restricted. It'll look ridiculous. I know that for the most part, when people see how much I eat, it's like, that's all you're gonna eat. And I know it looks crazy and they're like, what? How? But it's what I can eat right now. And it's not hurting me. I actually, again, see a dietitian, even post-op, and I'm exactly where is to be expected of a person who's had the same surgery as me. I'm in my bathroom, so I'm hoping there's not too much echo. I'm wearing my mic, so I'm hoping that can cancel out some of the echo, but I don't know. I'll guess I'll find out when I edit this video, right? My portions might look a little strange to someone with a regular stomach, so just be mindful that I'm in a very different situation. I by no means am telling you to eat this way for weight loss, because I'm averaging about sometimes as low as 500 calories a day. My dietitian wants me to aim for at least 800 to 900 calories, but I've never reached that goal. It's very difficult because foods that are high in calories are usually not good for me. And I typically, as you will see today when you see what I eat in a day, I basically just try to prioritize protein. So you'll see from my meals today that that's basically the basis of my nutrition. It's protein, protein, protein. So you'll get a look at what that looks like. And then at the end of the day, because I track my meals on MyFitnessPal, I will show you what my nutrition looks like at the end of the day, because I track, and I'll show you guys how many calories I consumed. I'll show you my protein intake total, and I can show you just how much I ate, so you can see it. I know I probably look crazy to you guys, because when you guys see me all fixed up and glammed up, I look very precise, but for work, I really, not that I don't care, because obviously I wouldn't be doing my makeup if I didn't care. For the most part, I'm not too fixated on how I look for work. I think less is more type of vibe for work. I really don't get all glammed up for no reason. I usually will save the glam for a special occasion or the weekend, or for you guys, for my YouTube videos, which again, I need to get better at. I know I had made a video saying that I'm back, and then I went on a hiatus again. it's just life. Life is very busy. And if you saw my last video, again, I kind of briefly mentioned it, but I didn't explain. I just bought a house, and you know, I've just been working a lot. For those of you who don't know, I have a family, so I have kids. I have a very, you know, demanding job. I love my job though. I'm not even complaining about that because I love my job. I'm a social services director, so I have a lot of responsibility on my plate right now, and sometimes it can be a little overwhelming. So I will admit that sometimes the YouTube videos kind of get pushed back a little bit because of all the responsibility I have on my plate on a daily basis. So don't hate me, guys. I'm really trying to get back to it. So that's why I just decided that I'm just gonna film. And it may be kind of raw and messy. It may not be as perfect as the way my old videos used to be, with my, you know, background and lighting perfect and my makeup perfect and my hair perfect and kind of just like everything really done up in a way that's perfect. You know, it's gonna probably be a little more vlog style, a lot of more raw footage, but the upside to that is you'll get to see a little more of my personality and who I really am. This is my makeup for the day, guys. Like, that's it. Like, I don't do anything else. And this is actually a lot, because sometimes I don't even bother doing all this with the eyebrows. I actually lately have been doing no eyebrows, and just leaving my natural, and I'll just do mascara. I can't leave the house without mascara, so I'll at least just do mascara even if I don't do concealer or anything else. I love Vaseline chapstick, so I'll do that. But then I also have a lip oil that I'm gonna put on just for like a little color, because it's kind of a tinted lip oil. But I don't really wear lipstick or lip gloss to work. So when I finish getting ready, get dressed, do my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys again what I eat in a day. I'm gonna start off by making my coffee, and it's not really coffee, it's mostly protein. I call it my profie because it's a protein coffee, and most of it is my protein shake with a dash of coffee. So I'll show you guys what that looks like and how I make it, because I know if I just say, hey, this is my protein coffee, a lot of people might ask, like, what is it, what's in it, like, how'd you make it? So I'll show you guys exactly the protein that I use and how I make it. So yeah, I'll just stop talking now. And the rest of the video will be voiceover, and I'll let you guys kind of see what I eat today. So let's start with the protein. I like this ISO 100. It is cocoa pebble flavored. What a throwback, right? And this Fairlife milk is so delicious. 13 grams of protein, lactose free, because, you know, at this age, can't have dairy anymore. And my blender bottle with the little mixer in it is really useful. I do 1 cup only, okay? So just 1 cup of my Fairlife milk, and then 1 scoop of the ISO 100, mix it into my blender bottle. And after I shake, pour it over ice. And clearly I don't know how to pour because I spilled it. Oops. And then I just regular brewed coffee, top it off. But it's literally mostly protein. I just kind of need that coffee flavor, you know. And then stir it with my little steel straw and incorporate it all together. Cover it up, put the lid on, and then I take it to work. After that, I have to get my water. I prep my water. So I like my water cold. I don't know if a lot of people like it, but I do. And I fill that sucker up all the way to the top with ice, and then the rest with water. And I try to refill my water bottle at least 3 times a day. And then I'm ready for work. So I have to stay hydrated. So 64 ounces of liquids every day. So got my liquids, got my protein ready to go. Here I am at work. Just taking off the lid, putting in my straw, and getting my dose of caffeine. Anybody else have that feeling after coffee? It's like, yes, ready for the day. Then of course my liquids, gotta have my water. It honestly takes me about 2 to 3 hours to finish that coffee, but after that I have my lunch. It's a lot of protein. So I have half a boiled egg, not a whole one, some skirt steak, some asparagus, and some lettuce. It's actually a small portion. It's about 3 ounces or so. And here I am trying to eat my asparagus, but I'm not going to show you eating, but I'm going to show you my chewing. Just to give you an idea, I have to chew so much. It has to literally be a puree before I swallow. So that's just me being annoyed by all the chewing. And this is my full face. I am burping. I'm very full. And I did not finish. Let me show you. Oh, and I can't drink water. I have to wait at least a half hour after eating. So no water. Because then it'll make me really full. But look at how much I finished. Oh, and I'm stuffed. Can you believe it? So I just ate half of the steak. I had half of an egg and just a little bit of I think I had 2 pieces of it, or 1.5 pieces of asparagus, and then a little bit of the lettuce, and I am beyond full. After that, I have my calcium. So this is calcium citrate chewables, and they come in 3 different assorted flavors, 500 milligrams each. I have to take calcium 3 times a day. So after lunch is when I take my first dose. And I don't know, these are okay. I take them obviously because I have to, but they're not the greatest tasting. They're like little starbursts, but not as good. And this is where I realize I don't like this one. It's the watermelon, but I'm just gonna eat it. Like about an hour and a half later, I have my snack. I got these keto crackers. There's 7 grams of protein, and I get these at Aldi. I also got the spreadable cheese at Aldi. It's the creamy pepper jack by Happy Farms. And here I am trying to show you some of the nutrition facts. So here's me just trying to open up my little cheese wedge. There's a little red tag that you pull, and then you just kind of pull it back to expose your little cheese. I just grab a cracker and then dip it into the cheese. It's very spreadable, almost like a cream cheese. And then, well, I guess it is cream cheese. And there I am again, chewing. And I got full really quickly. I only had 3 crackers and I finished about half of the cheese. And we do not waste food here. So put in my little to-go containers. I love these containers. I use this as my portions, like if I make like a tuna salad or something. And then it goes into my fridge. I have a fridge in my office, so there goes my little sugar-free snacks and things. And after that, 2 hours after the first dose of my calcium, I take my second dose of calcium. So here I am eating it, and pleasantly surprised because it is the blackberry flavor, and that one is my favorite. And of course, my water again, all day. Water all day is what I do. Then I go home, and I didn't feel like cooking, so I had a frozen dinner. Not the best choice, I'm not gonna lie, but this is reality. So nutrition facts of the Real Good Foods. I had the little lasagna. It's not noodles because I don't eat carbs. Well, I try to avoid carbs. It's actually like little chicken cutlets, lasagna, parmesan, whatever you want to call it. It was really good. Didn't finish it again. So after dinner, I have my last dose of vitamins. I take 2 calcium capsules and my bariatric vitamins. This is the calcium I take, and this is the bariatric. And I'm going to show you now how I did today with regard to my nutrition. This is just reiterating everything I ate. The calories, as you can see, a little over 700 calories consumed today. I know that's wild. That's actually a lot for me. So I was kind of proud of myself. And then here I go into my nutrition, and you'll see 78 grams of protein. So proud. Hey guys, I know I look a little rough. It's the end of the day. I'm about to wash my face and get ready for bed. But I just wanted to end the video really quickly and just say thank you guys for watching. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comments. And be sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.